Why does your scanner show the P007B engine code? What does it mean? P007B is a diagnostic trouble code for charge air cooler temperature sensor circuit range or performance bank 1. This engine code indicates that the vehicle's control module, PCM, is detecting an incorrect signal from the sensor that measures the temperature of the air within the charge air cooler system. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty charge temperature sensor, wiring issues, problems with the charge air cooler, defective turbocharger or supercharger, PCM malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.